Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Code Studio, where we build powerful websites without writing a single line of code. So for this video, I'll be teaching you how to build this Bitcoin investment website without writing a single line of code. You'll endeavor to watch the video till the very end to know how to build this type of website. So I'll be giving a brief overview of this website to show you how it looks and its functionality. So here is our front-end interface, and it comes with this resolution slider, as you can see. So this section, it says investing in a better future, offers strong financial returns and so on. So I'll quickly scroll the way down so you see how it looks. So I'll be going to the About Us page. So here is our About Us page. Professional investment services. At our core, we believe in building meaningful long-term partnerships with our clients and so on. So let me quickly scroll the way down so you see. Then I'll be going to the registration page. So when the user wants to register for a free account, ask them to provide this verification code. This is a security measure that prevents bots from registering this website. So I'll click on verify code. So as you can see, here's the registration page. So the user can fill in their details like their username, their full name, email address, phone number, can create a password and select their country, and input a referral ID if they have one. So I'll just quickly go ahead and log into a demo account. So here is how our demo user dashboard looks. You can see here's the account balance, the total profit this user has made from the platform so far, and the bonus, and also total deposit. One thing about this platform is that user can switch between light mode and dark mode. So to switch to dark mode, you click on this toggle button here. You can see I'll successfully switch to dark mode. So user can deposit by clicking on this quick deposit like so, or by clicking on this deposit here. So this is how our deposit page looks like. So user can deposit using bank transfer or crypto. So depending on the user, and can set all of this from admin. So I'll be clicking on bank transfer. You can see that to make a payment of $100 using your selected payment method. So what you need to do is you send this money to this account, okay? After making the payment, you just upload the proof of payment. So I'll click on submit payment. Here you can see sources, account formed successfully. Wait for the system to validate this transaction. So that's how easy it is to fund your account. So I'll be coming to withdraw to show you how you can also withdraw from this platform. When the user wants to withdraw from the platform, it asks them to input their password to verify their identity. So I'll just go ahead and input my password. So here you can see you can decide to choose the withdrawal method you want to use for the withdrawal. So I'll be clicking on Bitcoin. I want to withdraw $1,000. As you can see, the estimated processing time takes 24 to 48 hours. Then you will be asked to provide the withdrawal code. So to get the withdrawal code, you click on generate withdrawal code. So as you can see, the withdrawal code has been generated. So once you contact support or admin, they'll give you this withdrawal code for you to be able to make this withdrawal. So I'll show you how you can email admin shortly. I'll be going to the investment plan by clicking on trading plans. As you can see, your investment journey, choose your plan, fund your investments, track and grow. So here are the different plans. So we have the children scholarship plans, we have the fixed plan, we have the variety plan here, the standard plan, and the starter plan. So I'll be going with this starter plan for now. Then you can see the duration of the plan is 3 weeks. So the return rate is 50% every 10 minutes. Wow, it's crazy though. So you get a bonus of $50 when you purchase this plan. So the minimum amount you can use to purchase this plan is $200. Then the maximum amount is $2,000. I'll just go with this plan. I'll just click on $250 to get started. The return of investment is automatic. One of the amazing features about this website is that you can swap crypto. So I'll be clicking on crypto swap like so. So here you can see our balance. So we have a Bitcoin balance of 0.0024 BTC. That's equivalent to $24. If you want to swap a crypto, you just scroll the way down. So I want to say $50. So you get this amount of BTC. So you click on confirm swap. See, we have successfully swapped $50 worth of USD to Bitcoin. So to contact support for the withdrawal code, you just click on contact support here like so. So you just fill in the message. So just say I need my withdrawal code. So click on send message like so. As you can see, your message was sent successfully. So admin will see this message and they will get back to you. So that is all for the user dashboard. Let me quickly walk you through the admin dashboard. So I'll come to the admin like so. I'll go to this investment plan and show you how it works. So click on investment plans. Here's our investment plan. So you can decide to edit and already existing plan like so. So here you can change the name from starter to basic. You can edit the plan price. Here's the maximum return, so you can just edit everything to the top up interval. You can like change it to the hourly, weekly, and so on. So just leave it to the hourly. So if you click on this link here, you see how to set up the investment duration. So for this investment duration, you can change it to 1 week, 1 day, depending on you. So just click on update plan like so. We have successfully updated our plan. So you can decide to add a new plan by also clicking on this new plan like so. So here you can see add the investment plan. So you fill in all these details and you click on update like so. Come to this active investments to show you. So you can see here is the active investments currently on our platform. So click on this action button here like so. You can decide to delete the investments or you click on more action. Here you can see. So I can decide to like delete this investment from here. Click on mark as expired. I'll successfully change this investment to expired. So I'll come to this manage users here and show you. Our current name is demo user. Click on this manage button. You can see the account balance of this user, the profit and everything. So to get the withdrawal code of this user, you scroll the way down. Here you can see here is the withdrawal code for this user. So you just copy this code like so. Then you come to this action. Decide to send an email to this user like so. I'll successfully mail this user. So click on this action button. So you can decide to monitor the login activity of this user and block this user. You can turn off trade for this user. You can turn off withdrawal for this user also. You can decide to notify this user. You can decide to credit and debit to user. So I click on credit user. You enter the amount. So do you want it to be bonus, profits, referral bonus, account balance, deposit? So I'll just say profits. You can see this user has been successfully credited. So also click on action again like so. So you can decide to clear this account, to add trading history, edit the details of this user, add referral, send email, login as this user, and also delete this user. That's it for this user. And so I'll go to manage deposits. You can see the $100 we deposited. You can decide to process or delete the deposit. So I'll just process this deposit. Come to manage withdrawal like so. You can see there's no withdrawal here. So I'll come to the administrator here. So you can decide to add a new manager or manage the already existing manager. So I'll click on add manager. You need to fill in the manager first name, last name, email address, and click on save users. So I'll come to these settings, then app settings. So I'll go to website information. So here you manage everything about this website. So I want to change the name from Tamplex Investment to Tamplex Tutorial. So you just edit everything like so, change the website name, your website title, then your app URL. So you can see mine is samplextutorials.top/broker. So if you have a live chat, you paste the code here, then you select the time zone of this platform and also the installation type. So you create a logo, then you just do your logo. So I'll just select a file from my system. Then you click on update like so. Come to this preference. Then you update your contact email. You say samplextech@gmail.com. So if you are using a custom front end, you can add your own page URL here. So you can decide to off announcements, turn off weekend trade, enable or disable withdrawal, enable Google Capture, off translation, off trade mode, off KYC. So I'll just scroll the way down and also return off capture. You can decide to change it to no, depending on you want this platform to work. Account cancellation, you can decide to own it. So I'll just click on save like so. So I'll come to email/Google login capture. So here you set the email configuration you want this platform to use. So you can decide to leave it at send mail or SMTP. So I'll click on SMTP like so. You update these details with yours, like mail from then your SMTP host, the SMTP port, the encryption, username and password. After filling in these details, just click on save. So for mine, I'll leave mine as send me. I'll click on save. Here you can see success. I'll go to referral/bonus settings. So here you set the referral for this platform like direct referral, indirect referral. So after setting it, you just click on update like so. So also come to these settings and I'll come to payment settings. So here's our payment settings. So you can see we have different payments method like credit card, USD, USDT, bank transfer, PayPal, Litecoin and so on. You can decide to add a new one by clicking on add new like so. You just fill in this detail and you click on save methods. I'll go back, then I will enable this PayPal here. I'll click on this I button here. Here you can see the minimum amount. So you can decide to edit this to $100, the maximum amount charged. So the charge, let me say 5. Charge type is percentage. So you just like change everything. So So the status, change it from disabled to enable. And for the type, do you want it to be for deposit or for withdrawal? So I'll just leave it as both. For the optional notes, instant payment, I'm sorry to edit it, so I'll just leave it like this. Then I'll click on save changes. So payment method updated. So I'll just click on this back button here like so. So you can see I've successfully enabled PayPal. So I'll come to this payment preference. So for the deposit option, you can set it to be automatic like so. And also for the withdrawal, you can set it to be automatic. So the minimum amount a user can deposit on this platform is $50. So I will increase it to $100. So we mentioned for automatic USDT payments, you can decide to use Binance or coin payment depending on you. So what you need to do is just go to Binance, then you copy your API key. The withdrawal deduction, you can decide to deduct when admin approves or deduct on user request. So for the credit card payment provider, you can decide to use Stripe, Paystack or Flutterwave. So after setting this, just click on save changes like so. So if you are using automatic for this platform, you come to this coin payments, then you update your merchant ID, your coin payments IPN secrets, your coin payments debug email. So you click on save changes like so. So I'll come to this payment gateway here where you can set up your payment method for Stripe, PayPal and Flutterwave. So you can see here's the payment gateway for Stripe. So what you need to do is you input your secret code and your publishable key here. The same thing goes for PayPal. You input your PayPal client ID and your PayPal client secrets here. So you come to Paystack here and do the same thing, and also for Flutterwave. So depending on what you want to use. So for mine, I'm making use of manual payments. So I'll come to these payments preferences here. Then I'll change this deposit method to manual here. I'll click on save changes like this. So I'm coming to the swap settings here. You can see you can decide to turn off this feature and enable this feature. So mine is currently enabled. So the exchange fee, you can decide to like increase yours to like 5%. Then the assets name, you can decide to like disable Bitcoin Ethereum, just like play around with it. So that's all for the admin. So if you want to know how to build this kind of website, let's dive in.
I'll log into my cPanel like so. Then I'll come to my file manager. Then I'll go to my public_HTML. So here's my public_HTML. I'm working with a subfolder. So I'll create a new folder like so. The name of my folder, say investments. So here is the folder I just created. So I'll be right clicking to enter this folder. So as you can see, the folder is currently empty. So I'll click on upload like so. So I'll select my file like so. So you just wait for this file to finish uploading. So I'll pause this video now. So our script has been successfully uploaded. So you click on this broker.zip and you right click. So you click on extract like so. Now click on this reload button here. So you just read this file like so. So I'll go into our folder. Now select everything. I'll click on this select for like so. So I'll be moving the files from this broker folder here. So I'll delete it like so. Then I'll click on move files. So you can see our files have been successfully moved. So I'll click on this up to next level. Files have been moved to this investment folder like so. So I'll come to this .env file. Alright, click on it. So I'm clicking on edit. So what you do is you change your site URL and you update your database details. So I'll change this from broker to investment. So after updating our app URL, we want to update your database details. So I'll come to my cPanel tools like so. So you search your database user. So you give your database a name. So the same thing goes for the username. So for the password, you click on this password generator here. So you generate a password for the database. So copy this password. Paste it on my notepad. So click on create user. So you click on all privileges like so. So copy our database name and username and I'll paste it on our notepad also. So you have successfully created a database. So you come to your cPanel tools, then you go to phpMyAdmin like so. So here's the database you created earlier. So I'll right click on it like so. Then I'll click on imports here. So I'll be uploading the SQL file. So I'll click on choose file like so. So our database has been successfully uploaded. Now come to this .env file again. Then I'll be updating these details to the one we just created.
click on save changes like so. So let's view the website you just created. So I'll copy the app URL and I'll come to a new tab. So yeah, that's how easy it is. So to get access to this script, message me on WhatsApp, and please don't forget to subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.